If you're an artist, you're a failure. Now, some of you might be taken back by that statement, but this has been a thought that's been kicking around in my head for some time now, and I really broke it down and analyzed things. So when I say that if you're an artist, you're a failure, what that really means is that in order to become a great artist, in order to master your craft, you have to constantly fail. The reason why you have to constantly fail is because failure is what will drive you to try new things, to try and better your skills, and try to become a better artist, to reach your true potential of what you can accomplish with your work. Now, when we look at certain people, and I'll throw some names in the mix that have influenced me, people like Todd McFarlane, who has over 300 rejection letters, and then finally turning around to have his own comic book. You have people like Walt Disney, who was told he lacked creativity. Now, Disney is the biggest thing in the world, most recognizable thing in the world. Then you have the countless others, the old masters, the Da Vinci's, the Michelangelos, the Vincent Van Goghs. All these people were rejected. All these people felt some level of failure. But then eventually they took that failure and then they turned it into greatness. They took that failure, they really zoned in on their skills, they really zoned in on their creativity, and they become the great artists that they became. This is exactly the thought process of a creative. It's not about getting the perfect picture. It's not about having the masterpiece. It's about the constant chase of getting better. It's about improvement of self. That's what art is. People often ask me, what's your favorite piece that you created? And I always tell them I don't have any. And the reason for that is, once I feel I created my favorite piece, my best piece, then there's no reason for me to go any further. So all you creatives listening to this, go out and fail over and over again. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.